Hi, this is Sameh from Apify. Today I want to show you how you can use Apify MCP inside Bolt, one of the most popular vibe coding tools, to create a cool dashboard for performance marketing. So if you are in marketing or you're doing performance marketing, you know the importance of gathering the best insights from what your competitors are doing. So this is the use case I'll be looking at. I'll be using the Apify MCP to test different actors that can extract information from Google ads, Meta ads, LinkedIn ads, all at the same time, compile it into a dashboard right inside Bolt. So let's begin. All right, so let's start at mcp.apify.com. And here you can actually configure your own MCP server. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look for actors that will help me with Google Ads. So Google Ads, let me pick some of these. Maybe let's pick up the ones that are, that have a lot of usage, like 495, 586, 192. All right, so that I have those, maybe just to test. And let me try to find Meta now. So here we have Meta ads. That looks good. There's another one there. Let's pick those ones. And then this is the beauty about the MCP. We'll be able to quickly test these for relevancy and see which ones we can use over time. All right, so that's it. And now let's look at LinkedIn ads. I got a few of them on here. Let me find another one that seems to be a bit popular. And there we go. So we've picked up some actors for those use cases. So here I'm going to pretend that I need an advertising strategy for Apify. So I'm going to look for competitors in the web scraping space. So I got some Google Ads actors here. I've got some Meta and I've got some LinkedIn. The rest of them, I think you can just keep them. I would say you can add dynamic actor addition if you want to add more actors on the go, right? Even after you configure your server. And maybe let's add dataset and dataset items. This will actually help you extract the results from those runs easier and to do it after you've done the actual runs themselves. Maybe I would also get the key value store, so that one will house some of the assets, for example, pictures that you have in some of those ads. So, for example, if you need to kind of scrape that using these different actors, and then use the pictures from those actual scraping or whatever was queried to create, let's say, new campaigns on your site, or at least to inspire new campaigns or ad groups. All right, so I've got those. I've got my server ready, and here is my URL. And let me copy that. All right, so we go back to Bolt, and over here you can easily add your own MCP server. You just go to settings, and you will find all your connectors here. So go ahead and let's create a custom MCP server. Let's call it Apify Ads. All right, here we go. For the URL, you can just go ahead and copy that URL that we just created. Let me create a new one, Apify Ads. Let me add those, and here we go. Leave it as HTTP authentication. You can put it as mcp.auth, right? And then just go ahead and auto-enable for all projects so that you can actually use it on the go. All right, here we go. So we add that MCP. And now we need to connect it. So authentication is required. So just click on it and just click here on connect. And that should take you to your Apify login, where you can go ahead and just allow the access for it. And that's it. MCP server connected. So let's go. We got all the actors that so as tools, of course. So you can see over here, we got the Google Ads ones, the Meta ads, Facebook, LinkedIn. All right, that is good. All right, so here, just make sure that your connector shows up. Yes, it does. That's great. Okay, I want to use the Apify Ads connector to create a dashboard that will visualize the latest ads on Google, LinkedIn, and Meta for the search term web scraping. please, yeah, okay, please try to find competing ads so I can also benchmark and create ideas. All right, so there you go. You can choose a design system. Personally, I like Shadcn. A lot of developers use it too. So let's build, and off it goes, and it starts to cook. So this will probably take some time. So we'll be right back. All right, so the design system was activated. Now it ran some actors here. Now it's actually running the actors simultaneously. So let's look at our backend, how it looks like. So if we go to our console here and see what are the newest runs, we can see, okay, Google Ad Scraper is already being run here. That's great. Look at our input schema. Okay, web scraping. All right, looks like it's happening. So the MCP quickly connected to Bolt, and now it's running the first actors. All right, so let's give it a few moments, and I will be right back. All right, so it ran some. So here we go. We go to Google Ad Scraper, Meta Ads Library, Facebook, Ad Scraper. So actually, oh, now it's running other actors too. And over here, we can see some of those runs. It's calling the different actors. And now it's also running these in parallel. So sometimes at Bolt, it might time out, but that's okay. You can always use the fetch dataset items to actually get the ads that you need. All right, so that's running now. We can see it here, and we can of course see it in our backend. It's still running, so it's using different actors. This is the beauty about MCP. You can actually test different actors quickly, just to figure out, which ones really are working and which ones might not be working. I mean, here we go. You can see the different runs that are happening. This one didn't work, but obviously some of them are better. Let's see this one here. Got the latest run. Let's see the log here. All right. So this one also. Okay, this LinkedIn looks good. Got some good results going. So that's, we have something like 16,000 actors. All right, so after about, I think, maybe 12 different runs, it is now building my Ad Intelligence dashboard. This is great. I mean, I'm getting a lot of kind of triangulated data from all kinds of sources that I can use. In a few minutes, I'll be able to kind of deep dive and create my ad strategy based on actual data from these different channels. Here is some screenshots of what it's going to be building soon. All right, so let's see details. All right. And here we go. We got the total ads that were found, Google and LinkedIn. So it seems Meta didn't actually work, but that's okay. We can keep testing till it works. Some of the key advertisers that are running on those terms. Obviously, I didn't tell it to, target certain geographic regions, but it's something that you can do. And it has kind of these links for the actual ads themselves. Here you can see it exactly with the links to the Google Ads Transparency, for example, which is also super handy. So it's a first iteration of the dashboard, but I think so far it looks great. And you can obviously keep working it using the MCP server to test different tools. So that's how easily it is to actually connect the Apify MCP with its, over 16,000 actors, including for ads, and create your own dashboard. And we're super excited to see what you can do with this integration. So thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more helpful tutorials and make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.